I'm just flushing. This piece of shit is in my line of duty. I'm just gushing from the mouth of a fool. This is like a truly ignorant Ewok. You're even more annoying than Porky. I don't need to hear rhymes to prove that you're corny. Just listen. That's just nausea when that spill my guts to leave this smash. All I need's a roll of German to leave for your Brooklyn trash. Enough bliss from my stench and never hear medley. This overmen infested was neither silent nor deadly.
I am the great mighty Pooh, and I am going to throw my shit at you. This verse stinks, since we both need our tech rips low. I plunge into slinging some scat as I brag and flex. Keeping zombies but natural rhymes alive, now that's funny. So I'm exploiting your weakness, you know I'm fly, honey. Just let me grab some sawdust to clean up what you've upchucked. You shitty little tag nut, you think I inside these words. Got in your throat, you bite up more than you can chew. No need for a star startle and the same me down my poo.